Hey guys, we received this TOPESEL 64 gigs micro SD cards for test and try. There's a two-pack memory cards, UHS-I TF cards class 10 for camera, phone, dash cam or any other use. So these are a set of two and comes with an adapter as well. So as you can see, it comes in a really nice protective packing. So let me just take out all the cards and everything. So this one have a write speed of up to 20 MB and the read speed up to 80 MB. You can see in this micro SD card, they're really nice grafted one. And this is the adapter with the read and write protection. So you can lock it if you don't want to, write anything on it or delete anything. And you can use this adapter and you can use the SD card directly in your system. So I'm just checking it in my PC. So I'm just putting it. It easily recognized. So the slot it is going fine. Once put, immediately it will recognized by the PC, and then I can see the thing. So here I'm just trying to copy one big file around 800 MB and see like in the fraction of seconds it just get into it. So almost 10-12 seconds it copied this whole 800 MB in it. So it's pretty fast and really nice with the waterproof or the shockproof thing, but is also read and the write speed is nice. And then can be used with the PC or with the gaming or any other purpose. So the read write and everything is fast and also like capable of doing a lot of other things. You can easily just take it out. So a nice quality micro SD card.